Hey everyone, this is Tom Pennell with Appspace, and I'm at Enterprise Connect in Orlando at a huddle space here, and what we have is Appspace running on the new RoomKit Mini. And so this enables you to do quite a lot of things. I'm really excited. This is the first time we've actually set this up here. And a lot of times what you see is blank screens, right, on these huddle spaces and on these displays. What we're allowed to do is actually push content to these displays when they're not in use to create a really inviting environment for folks around your enterprise. And we do a lot more than that, actually. What we can do is actually configure buttons directly on the Touch 10 so you can point to specific channels of content within Appspace. So that enables a lot of different use cases. So if I click into Appspace here, I can see all of the different channels within Appspace that I can point to, making it very easy for someone at a huddle space to go directly to, for instance, a how-to video on how to use the RoomKit Mini in this case. So that allows people to walk into a space and immediately get resources that they need. As you can see now, I've got a Cisco WebEx training video, so I know exactly how to use this room. And now when I'm ready to start my presentation, I simply touch the Touch 10, go right back into my WebEx experience and start my presentation. So we're very excited about what we have here today. So if you're at Enterprise Connect, please come see us. And if you can't make it to Orlando, then by all means join us at the WebEx team space called Ask Appspace.